Hello everyone, welcome back to the Database Basics tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about join tables in SQL. In SQL, joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. The main types of joins are inner join or join, and left join and right join. Now I will show you the basic syntax to use join in SQL. The first, you need to select some column you want to show. Maybe the column from table 1, column 1, and table 1, column 2, and maybe from the table 2, column 1, and maybe the table 3. Okay, you can compile multiple tables to show the data from many tables. And here I just put columns, and then you need to put from. You select from what table. Maybe that is the table 1. Then you join to another table, table 2, and you want to join another table 3, and so on. And what the field or what the columns you want to create related from the tables. You put on keyword, and for example the table 1, the column here is the field that you want to set the related, so you can use the column to reference another column which has the same value on another table. Maybe that is the table 2 column. Okay, this is the basic syntax. Now we practice with the inner join. The inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. That means the value from the column in the table 1 must match with the column from the table 2. So now we practice with the example. For this example, I created two tables. One is the employee and one is department. The department, save the department name for the department name in a table. We have a list department here with the name and the ID, and we have a table that saves a list of employees which has an ID, a full name, and the department ID. So we will use this department ID to create a related from the employees table to the department table, and the department ID will reference to the ID. Okay, after indicate the related column, we will create the statement. You select the full name and the department name. Okay, the full name from the employee table and the department name from the department table. In case in this table has the same column, for example name, and here we also have another name, you can put the prefix name the table. Before the column, you can put, maybe you want to show the name of the employees, you can put employee name, or you want to show the name from the department, you can put department name, like this. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, after you select the columns you want to show, now put the from employee, and then you want to join. In this case, you want to create inner join, right? Inner join with department, and in this case, inner join and join are the same, so you can remove the inner. Then you need to specify what the column to reference from employees to departments on employees department. Okay, department name equal department ID. Okay, let's run this. Department, sorry, department ID from the employee. Sorry. Okay, and you can see we have four rows that show the full name and the department name that the employee in. Now we will use left join. So the left join returns all the rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. If there's no match, the result is null on the side of the right table. So you can put left here before join and click run. Now you can see the result has all the rows from the left side. In this case, the left side is employees. You can see here the employee, and the right side is department name. In case the values of the department ID not match with the right table, it will show the department name is null here. The similar will appear when we work on the right side. If you put right, it will show all the elements on the rows from the right side. In this case, the right side is department. And in the previous result, you can see we don't see the X department. So now if we use the right join, you can see the X like this, but the full name is null because no match from the table employees with the X department from the department's name. And another join that is full outer join. In full outer join, all the rows from the left will go with all the rows from the right. To do that, you can remove the relative column between them and run, and you can see many rows appear because they match together with the value that are not null together. All the value that are not null will pair together. Okay, I think this is ended here for the video, and thank you and see you in the next one.